As the Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant has said,
Yeah.
we are going to Delhi. We have an appointment with the Union Minister for Environment and Climate Change, Mr. Bhupender
Yeah, sir.
Yadav. We're meeting him on Monday at 9 o'clock in the morning. Issues to be raised are various. One is regarding Caesar. Second is regarding Western Ghats. Third is regarding sound restrictions. Fourth is regarding some issues pertaining to forests. And the fifth is regarding sand. We hope with the intervention of our Union Minister, we will be able to solve the issue that was facing. I am confident because I have my experience is that whenever our Chief Minister has taken an issue, whenever he has taken a matter up in Delhi, he has always been able to resolve the issue. So I look forward to coming back and announcing many an issue which today we go and face.
फक्त सीएजर एमपीचे इश्यूज म्हणटा सो कितें प्रपोजल आसतले सेंटरा कडेन रिगार्डिंग
We have issues regarding Caesar MP 2011. We have issues regarding Caesar MP 2019. So we'll be discussing these issues, resolve whatever issues.
सीएजर इशू बी એટલે
Caesar is Caesar MP, no? Part of it.
आणि साऊंड पॉल्युशनाचेर तुमचे साऊंड रिस्ट्रिक्शनाचेर
Sound restriction basically problem today is what there are just 15 days in the year that the state can select, extend the time up to midnight. We have problems vis-a-vis, for example, Zatras. We have problems vis-a-vis masses. There are issues which are basically where locals are involved, which is beyond our control. Issue number one is, for example, on top of Zatras. Each village has its own, it is not something like Christmas. Christmas, for example, is 25th December. So every year it is on 25th December. But you have feasts in our villages, Catholic feasts for them. They vary. It's not that it is standard feast for the entire state. So each place seeks relaxation. So we hope that we can get something like that incorporated in the act. These type of issues are there which we would like to do.